going to the backyard. Listen, I've had people just blowing up my DMs. That's not true. I've had a couple DMs. And really, they're just asking about pool stuff. And they're people I know. But asking what I do to vacuum my pool. Now, this is a Bestway pool. And so it is a little bit different. And I would have loved to have this information when I just purchased mine. And I didn't. But that's fine. I figure I'll share you. So this is my pool right here. You may be able to hear it running. I don't know. These are upgrades I made in the last couple years of having it. I brought a power pole out here. Again, you can just use an extension cord. And then the filter's running. And I got all the hoses hooked up and ready to go. It's blowing. As you can see, maybe, I've got a bit of a Japanese beetle infestation. They love to get in here, but the pool is nice and blue, but it does need to be vacuumed. And this is the unit I was talking about that I got, and I'm sure this needs to be refilled because it's been well, it's got a little bit in here, but it's been a few days or a week or so. This is the chlorine. Oh my word, I can't talk and take stuff off and do things all at the same time, apparently. Oh, you got to turn it the right direction. Hold on. Oh, that's the sound. So you put these little pucks in here, the 1-inch pucks, and then you put it back on, turn it, ta-da. Hold on. Sorry, I can't show you and talk and do it at the same time. And then you just screw it on to the side. This is in replacement of what comes standard with a pool. So this little thing, blowing chlorine in there. As someone had asked me, there's no skimmer on these pools. Now there are options, and I do want to get one and test it out to see how it works. Excuse me. Got a little thing going on. Man, growing your hair out is kind of annoying. These pools don't have a skimmer, and honestly, my water line's a little bit low. A skimmer sits on the edge of the water and just kind of or in the water, it pulls things off the top and then goes to the filter. And because part of a skimmer as well is you hook up a hose to it, I believe, and then vacuum. Now these pools don't have it because they don't have a skimmer. So you can't hook up a hose as easily, but what you can do is hook up to these units down here that drain the water or that send water to the filter. You plug one of them, you attach a hose with this little adapter. You have to prime the hose by sticking it under the water to get all the air out of it. Then you hook up a vacuum. What I've found is that there's not a ton of suction with those. So it just didn't work. I bought one. It's sitting up on a shelf in my garage right now, along with some other things that I bought thinking that would work. What I did get is what I'll show you, and it actually does work. So that's a plus. So maybe you could get yourself one of these. Now I know it might be hard to believe, but I've got a little battery powered vacuum. Now batteries and water don't seem like they would mix. Somehow they've done the science. They've made it happen. This thing's got a filter. This comes out and has to be cleaned out as soon as it gets full. And you just snap that on there like that. I don't think it, I can almost guarantee it does not come with this pole, but it's kind of necessary unless you want to float and snorkel while you're cleaning. So this, I believe, let's see what it's called. The Pool Blaster Catfish. Try to get myself in the frame. I'm a professional videographer here. I do know that you need to get it underwater before you turn it on, and there's this little button on the back. And then you just power it on. There it goes. And with this pole, in an 18-foot pool, I don't have to get in the pool to vacuum it. But I'm just gonna slowly go around and suck up whatever debris and dirt got dragged in here by my wonderful kids and or myself. I don't know. Anybody, everybody. But this thing works great. Like I said, I tried a few different things. I even tried a robot vacuum. I call it a robot vacuum. I don't know what it's actually called. It's just a battery powered vacuum that runs on its own. You know, robots take over everything. One thing job they're not going to take from us is vacuuming a Best Way pool, at least in my experience. Now, I think part of that is because I didn't have the bottom perfectly flat and it kept getting hung up. I am very glad that I tried out one and was able to borrow one before I bought one, because it did not work. It got hung up on a little dip in the bottom and would not go any further, and heavily vacuumed the one spot. So that spot was nice and clean, and then I had to grab the pole and give it a push. So anyway, this vacuum's been great, and honestly, the charge on the battery, I've never had vacuuming. I mean, I don't know how long it actually lasts, but I have not had it die on me. I've definitely got my pool vacuumed more than I needed to, and in the amount of time the battery lasts. So I've been very happy with it, and it's easy. I don't have to unhook stuff, put plugs in the side of the pool, whatever. I think these things are around $100. I don't know. I'll have to look and maybe post a little picture or something. You can get them on Amazon. I bought it at Ace Hardware last year, and it works fantastic. Relatively inexpensive. Fern has a pool. Fern, stop trying to dig through it. She has a pool for now. It's like last year where she ripped the thing to pieces. Hey, Fern. Get a dog, they said. Just go crazy and rip up all kinds of junk. She's a good dog. She just doesn't know you're not supposed to dig through a plastic pool. It's an expensive Dollar General unit we got her. Anyway, this is all you do. Just vacuum, 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 whatever. The only complaint, if any, that I have is that I can't do my entire pool without having to clean out the filter. It's very simple to do. I don't know how dirty this is, but I'll do that now and show you what it looks like. Power down. It's not what it sounds like. Thing's empty. Anyway, just to clean it out, all you do is push this button, pop that top off, and there you go. What a dummy. I just realized I was recording that facing the wrong way. So, let's rewind. This was on there like that. Pop it off. That's all you do. And here's the filter. It's kind of gross. I know. It's dirt. It's sludge. It's apparently pool shock from that. But then all you do is bring it over your garden hose and spray it out. It's pretty simple. Then you put it back on. And then you keep vacuuming until your pool's clean. So seriously though, I would highly recommend this Pool Blaster Catfish. I think they have other options, but that's the one I got. It's rechargeable battery, plugs into the wall just like your cell phone, and very simple. So I'm gonna clean this out. Water's gonna be hot, Fern. You don't want to drink this. It's gonna be hot. I'm telling you. Whatever. I don't know. What do I know? Yeah, it's hot. You goof. Yeah. Get a dog. This is all you do to clean it. Spray it. Now, if you're in the pool, just make sure you put your hose by the pool. It's that simple. I mean, if you can't figure that out, what are we even doing here? You're not cleaning your own pool. You got a pool boy for that. There you go. Maybe spin it inside out. Yeah. You're not supposed to have water shooting down your throat, you goof. I don't know. Spray it out, clean it out. That's all there is. Put it back in there and keep vacuuming. Pretty simple. Pool Blaster Catfish. That's what I bought. That's what I like. That's what works for me. Do whatever you want to do. I don't know. Turn your garden hose into a siphon. I don't care. But this is the simplest and easiest solution that I've found. And like I said, I've purchased a few things. But this is what it comes in, you know, out of the box looking like, minus the dripping water. Oop, drop it. There's your power button right there. And this is the charging port. It just plugs into the wall, recharge it. This slides on, and then somehow this goes on. There we go. Just clicks in just like that. And there you go. Get yourself a pole and you're in business. Or just float and do this. You know, like I said, the Catfish, the Pool Blaster Catfish, not a sponsor. Like I had to say, I don't have sponsors. Anyway, get you one. It works great. Seriously, out of all the options I've tried, by far the simplest and easiest. More than enough for my 18-foot pool. Does the job. And it'd probably work good for a regular pool too. If you don't want to hook up hoses and deal with all that. Try it.